Now let's go ahead and talk about an interesting topic, what's called as shadow IT. So I'm going to quickly make a note of that here. So that's shadow IT. Okay. Now let's say within our organization, we got a couple of approved applications, and then there are some softwares as well. Some softwares that can be installed on the desktops, and then there are other softwares and other applications that can be installed on the mobile applications. All these applications and softwares are, we all know, maintained by IT, the internal IT department, isn't it? Now, at times, employees might want to opt for other softwares and applications. And if IT does not approve it, they might want to pick up those softwares from the outside world. They can also install these applications on their mobile phones. Now this is where the problem starts, and this is what we are calling it as shadow IT. A kind of IT environment, a kind of repositories where IT has no visibility. So employees might want to use Google Drive as an example, right? They might want to use other softwares for productivity. For example, one of the employee wants to use Trello, or another employee wants to use Asana, and other file sharing tools as well, maybe Dropbox, Google Docs, or Microsoft OneDrive. But these applications may not be approved by IT because that does not come in their radar. Now this is where the problem starts, because IT here is not managing these applications, and this can lead to data breaches, it can lead to compliance issues, and the list could be really going endless. And IT departments will really find it hard to protect the data and maintain the security of such data. Now, IT department, we all know it's really working hard, but they cannot keep things secure. They cannot protect that data which they don't know about. Shadow IT right here makes their job much harder. Now, how do you solve this problem, right? Well, the key here is to manage and create some stricter rules. It's about communication, right? And it's about talking to the people who prefer using other tools. We need to make them aware as well. Awareness is also a key here so that we can have better tools to improvise the security posture of the entire organization. Well, IT will always say that once we know what's there to manage, we will manage it. But it's important for them to know it. So with a clearer picture and a proactive approach, we can bring these shadow IT under a single umbrella in order to make our data and networks safer.